Hey guys, so today we are going to go through some practice questions for Certified Scrum Master examination. This will serve as a revision for your learning. So let's get started. Question number 1. A company has decided to adopt Scrum, but the top management wants to change the terminology to fit the terminology which is already used. What is most likely to happen if this is done? I will wait for a few seconds before I reveal the answer. If you think that you need more time, then feel free to pause the video and then think about your answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option D, all of the above. Moving on to question number 2. Which statement best describes Scrum? And your options are and the correct answer is option number B. Within these options, option B best describes Scrum, a framework within which complex products in complex environments are developed. Moving on to question number 3. Product owner Nisha is confused on definition of done. When multiple development teams are working on a single product, what best describes the definition of done? And your options are and the correct answer is option number B. All teams must mutually define and comply with the same definition of done. Question number 4. Who should be responsible for product backlog item sizing? And your options are the correct answer is option number D. Developers working on that specific item. Moving on to question number 5. Rahul from development team has not met the definition of done for a product backlog item. What happens when a definition of done for a product backlog item is not met? And your options are the correct answer is option number C. The item goes back to the product backlog for future consideration. So today's tip of the day is on product backlog item sizing. It is basically estimating the size of the product backlog item so that one can have an estimate of how much time and effort will be spent on it. It is usually calculated in terms of story points. Who's responsible for calculating the size of the product backlog item? It is always the developer who's working on that specific product backlog item. Now, one can argue that a developer can over or underestimate the story points. But that being said, product owner can guide the developer from past experiences, be it from the previous project or be it from the same project from a previous sprint. But the ownership always lies with the developer. And that is why so often we talk about self-organizing team in Scrum. We want the developers to be decision makers. We want the team to be self-organized. And hence the role of Scrum Master as a coach for the team to build on these concepts is so important. So always keep in mind self-organizing team when we talk about Scrum. That will help you in your exam. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be putting up more practice questions for your quick revision. I'll also be hosting agile leaders and experts to get the latest industry trends and insights. And in addition to that, I'll also be conducting mock interviews in this channel. So if all of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. And at last, best of luck to you for your Certified Scrum Master examination. I hope you clear it, and once you do, it will open up lots of opportunities for you. And until we meet again, this is Shivam signing out. Have a great day. Thank you.